To show you. Sucks having to keep. Yeah.
Very proud.
It was.
Good morning. I thought it would be fun to show you guys what it's like to have a snow day here in Maine. We've been preparing all weekend because sometimes you never know. The forecast, it can be wrong. Woke up to the sound of snow trucks this morning, getting the snow off of the road to open up the windows. Oh shit. What happening out there, girly? What happening? What is that? What is that?
It's cold.
It's so chilly. I don't know if, oh, he might be coming back down. I hear someone, but yeah, I don't know if he's like plowing the road. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. Think about all this, huh? What do you think about all this, little girl? Do you like the snow?
Out the back. I bet it's like the water going into the reef and shooting out of those holes that.
Ah. You like us now? It's your tail. He's cute. You cute?
You're such a hooker.
You little hooker. Oh gosh. Yep. I literally made this little creation just with some eggs and salsa and the potato for breakfast.
Just to show you. That looks down like when we drive over and you look down. It's like that looks like it's like left of the river and all those big buildings.
So we're getting ready to go shovel the porch and things because we have plow guys coming to plow our driveway, which is very, very nice. Very nice. This is the first time I'm getting to use these. I got them at Hammocks in Virginia a while ago. Started my period today too, so that's great. Great things happening for the first weekend here. Let's go freaking shovel some snow! I don't know why, but I do. I think it's just like, this is the adult excuse to be in the snow. You know? I feel like shoveling is like the adult excuse to be in the snow.
just within the time that we have moved it. Literally, y'all. This is crazy. I love the snow, honestly. I can't deny it. Like, people are always like, it's so cold, snow, no. And I'm like, bring it on, baby, bring it on. So, yeah. I am a snow lover. I went and did the neighbor's porch. She's got a little doggy and he's so cute and old, and so I was like, let me help him. And if you can help your neighbor plow or shovel, do it. We'll probably go over and help Griffin's dad later. I love shoveling. I know people are like, oh, it's such a chore, but it's a great workout. You get to be outside in the snow, and it's just like overall a really good fun time. So we are parking the cars right now. It's a little funny with the snow, but yeah, we'll probably go run around and look at the snow in a little bit. Now this is what we get to do. Thanks. You're sweet. Have a good poop. The surf looks really good, but too big for me. So really Griffin was like, I don't want to go out unless, you know, he's got a friend, because I would just be riding the whitewash pretty much. So we were thinking about getting our stuff together and maybe going to Higgins and checking out the surf. The snow just continually kept coming down faster and faster as the day went on, so we decided not to go surfing and made some lunch. I had a salad, and I actually learned how to play chess, which was so amazing.
Did it do it?
Oh,
Did it work?
I think that we're recording.
What?
GoPro, what's up?
We're going pro.
We're going pro.
It's still snowing a lot. We're going for a ride. Oh my god. It's really snowing.
It's just like, where that being right there, it's just such shitty wind that blows right into the car. It accumulates so fast. It sucks having to
So pretty. So it's mega calm.
Definitely something rolling in right there. I can see the whitewash. It's a left.
There's a big rock.
I know, that's
Out
right there,
there.
but if... Well, let me see.
Folks, if you can see this, like the video. Can you? Make sure you like it.
Decent. Yeah. Owen.
Yo,
Yep.
you hear me?
Yeah, what's up?
You hear me?
Look at all that whitewash right there. Just freaking not
I do kind of want to go in the morning.
on the drive.
To the beach. Get in the water. Like with snow. It's so fun.
Let's look. We could. Those look
Cute
great.
trees. Think that going on at the boat. Just looks scary.
Cock is
Closed.
because if you're pawing a bit, you're doing things like move this, kind of probably have to push some stuff in and like do some things back. I help you.
I guess if you have a Prius, you're safe to drive in the snow. Priuses just don't get hurt ever. Ever, never.
Oh Jesus!
I was gonna say, be careful, this person's slow on the way down. Oh, it's looking real good.
Dude. Goddamn idiot kids.
Idiots. Everywhere.
What are we zombies in the road? This is concerning.
We've got zombies. Zombie 1, 2. They could probably run into Hannaford. I'm sure they're open.
Okay, we actually got up to 9.7.
209.7. It's pretty good. I'm lucky. Yours, mine?
Mm-hmm.
We ate dinner and finished the night with a game of chess. I'm so happy that I learned Griffin has been so obsessed with chess recently. So it was nice to be able to play throughout this snow day. It was amazing, honestly, just to be home and in most of the day with Griffin and just enjoy the snowfall. I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here and for being you. If you play chess, let me know down below. If you like snow, let me know. Make sure you subscribe, and thank you so much for being you.